Okay, so you know I say na yen samu akwa be GH report so eno nyimre na ebeto dwa say former finance minister Ken Ofori Attah Arr for no etimi aye ne preche a chese awakoye ensem bibra ene ensem no air trend pa na obebi sase ice no aye hefo eno aye immigration and customs enforcement omo na abomoden aye Ken Ofori Attah and ensem no bro this ewotini it has nothing to do with Ghana. Ken Ofori Attah issue now is a enam so ama eyes for acheno. It has nothing to do with Attorney General. It has nothing to do with OSP. For 2025 and someone na OSP the babonten na ye file this document, we are doing this, Ken person beba or yare any ade all the stories and na everybody nyina no ene say ababe to just say Ken Ofori Attah a former finance minister eyes for achena. It has nothing to do with Ghana. It has nothing to do with His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and Nabai. A US for any Ken in Enya. And let nobody lie to you. Say OSP for them and I say OSP. He said ya bene or na canona I file some documents to be a remu ami achano. It's never like that. It is omo your magic say on my budget credits na ma obia my no crebianim. Now according to Ken, the lawyers release on the to abonteno a issue bebre enemy bre and itimi akoswa Ghana and send it has nothing to do with Ghana nim Ghana lawyers nim OSP nim Attorney General onim bibia nim na yenramu na yentie ensemo a Ken lawyers edebeto abonten na we omo head and omo say minka premu osai bonsu Bruce Catlin and partners it way Ken Ofori Attah lawyers no na this we release we eba na almost say public notice the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement, that is the ICE, as of yesterday detained the former Minister of Finance Mr. Ken Ofori Attah regarding the status of his current stay in United States. The reason say you detain Ken Ofori Attah ni nyina say ni stay o stay o US no eno ena niam bi enhyeda nyedai enkoye enema bi enhyeda emfa na kwan so emfa ma US aban no eno ne nam so ema ice no editani no enti enye a matter of say ni issue wo Ghana hanom say OSP the Adjei omo nyina pese omo de Ken ebentina ye detaining no. It has nothing to do with them. Now omo say his US legal team is in contact with ICE and expect the matter to be resolved expeditiously. Mr. Ofori Attah has a pending petition for adjustment of status, which authorizes a person to stay in the US legally past the period of validity of their visa. It's a to my understanding, no, Ken lawyers no say Ken Ofori Attah former finance minister no issue with the US residency, the state no, the visa issue no, and as the visa no issue home. Now, we're filing the documents and now changing the status. It can be say Ken Ofori Attah any citizen of US, but maybe say after say okotena hono and now changing the status no from maybe tourist or so, and they call permanent visa, and as a permanent stay, we're changing the status no. The ultimate thing is yet say we changing the status because alcohol may be for holidays and I be visa and wakwache honum. Now he was in the process of changing his status no. So on the better na why dey Adjei and as a issue no etimi esi honum. Now all to us was say under US law a change of status by this method is common. Under US law a change of status by this method is common. The public is therefore advised to note that Mr. Ken Ofori Attah, as a law-abiding person, is fully cooperating with ICE to have this issue resolved. It's ensema lawyers ne ekanyina say Ken na kasa no oyo obi a we law-abiding oyo obi opebasa basayo onyo obi a sebe wo ha adwene enti no wo hwe na oni ICE for no any US aban no etimi assettle issue no once and for all. Na bibia itima ide akoye. This is the gospel according to Ken lawyers no. No. Now main issue and say, you know, Ghana hano, when something happens, a whole enkofo ever be take credit, ever take shine no afa, which we don't want that thing to happen. Say OS be granting interview elsewhere. No, I say, I omuna ye process way far away, and ne eyes for no editernity enchi be ken eba Ghana fine. Oba Ghana, yedim say Oba Ghana but we don't want someone to take credit. Ejuma US for aye, and as Ejuma eyes for aye. We don't want them to be saying that. Say be on because any ye can koto Interpol. Say to me they will be koto Interpol and kamo ye yache. Iti according to some lawyers ne diaba no ne visa issue and wenya and I say ne status na o change no. And akofa sa ensem we nyina ye de diaba now yenti sa enkomo we e this side wo abra prophet Telvin Sowah eba bonten na before say ye be start year we no what the prophecy be ebe to wo say this year Ken ye beti machi opede no yenkuti
Ken Ofori Attah Ghana nsa betumi aso nimu
Ken Ofori Attah in that angle. Oh, I've seen him being being handled in court.
Say assembly there say omo dey court OSP say or the no court but say physically ebe so nimu Ghana has say Ken Ofori Attah is in Ghana. Ebe possible what take it on
16 the number I'm looking at is
16 years
16 1/6
okay
16th of a month
of a particular month.
It would be before us in Ghana.
December this year, yeah. And
okay, I have not said the month. So
okay, but 16th
of a particular, you know, it is security matters. So
okay.
I've told you a system. I can't go too further, but then it will be before them.
Okay.
It will be in court.
Okay. Ono abeba na say ombekwa akotwe no edinaba.
There is a situation that will happen. What I'm seeing is that normally I'm not seeing how they found him, but I'm seeing airport restriction. That airport restriction was what cost 2 days traveling into Ghana. So it took him 2 days to get in. Airport restriction. Yeah. So let's say 14, 15, 16.
Ken Ofori Attah is coming back to Ghana on the 16th of a particular month. Radinyankopon. Prophet Telvin Adjei Sowah. I see. But minim ose follow ntino ya na niam bi say no mi bisa na me den kakra because they say no aban bai no when it comes to corruption cases bebre no mu follow di ebinim akọ court but o check ye no conviction be saying na NDC aban otumi nya when
I think I said it last year. Say they will arrest quite a lot of people.
Yeah.
They will cover a lot of people.
Say almost started bebre but say e de ombetumu no. Eno na minim the number
bebre come.
Sir,
a lot of people will go here.
Enti yenko witness cases bi ti say ye de nipa na court ama ye jano ama ni huson ama ye ko e no nya guilty ye
even in in 2027 close to 2028 I think late 2027 like in November like this I don't know the president will even put some of his appointees under trial.
Hey, President Mahama.
Yes.
Hey, enti dia one start here all ye just a test case
will hit everybody.
Ene amanfo disika omu hwe ni ye o sofo omu disika omu hwe ni ye because ade ba ko a chese men pese Ghana youth no ebe dane se ye ti obi ana omu akwa akogina police station ho ne ade nipa ne disika no so ma kapre.
No, so that's how they do. Like Brian, no, there's a group of people they just call to come and stand there and be making noise for them.
Okay.
And that's it. So what I believe is that the right thing has to be done. We like fair hearing, fair clarity, not as a weaponized in power for anything. But what needs to happen? So anybody we ask can and you should face the law. It's simple.
I see. So for me name say say no yem borders no last we be kan ho asem but if motive no papa ne issue no why you
abusua yemfa ensem no ensia na yeni enkomo you see prophet a prophet and you know who and our kind and or can this or the message we ever last year and I all say for the month need the only mu dear but when you say Ken will be in Ghana 16th but on 4 months and come and sometimes and no na issues with our prophets in Ghana. What me who are there no but won't mean kanina like how what me say 16th of a particular month yeah they can beba but you couldn't add the month as what they can home and the more we do say as nyame as prophet of God then nyame or can some afa na and nyame or can some money complete. You see sometimes the prophet no ya na akwaje kekeleke akwakoye something which is the almost side but all the same no Ken Ofori Attah has been detained and pay the insight of the detention you know the visa issues or US. It's not about OSP, it's not about Adjei influence beer. There is nothing of that sort. Solely the visa issue and the so ama eyes for no actually ti baby what say seminar na emu enchemu no GH report oba so onso betimi ache wadwene e wo comment section ho e dia mame